In this video, I will show you how to repair the heater control board in a 2005 Toyota Highlander. If you haven't already removed the radio and the HVAC control head, I'll put a link in the description on how to do that. If you have, go ahead and remove the screws from the back of the control panel. And once you have all the screws out, we're going to lift the back panel off. Be careful because there is a ribbon cable that connects the back panel board to the control board. To remove the ribbon cable, just grab it close to the connector and pull it straight out. And here is a close-up of the center temperature switch. As you can see, the ribbon cable on this has broken off of the switch. I can wiggle it side to side. So we need to remove that switch, desolder the old wires, and repair the connection. Start by removing the knobs and remove the nut on whichever switch has damaged wires. And we're just going to pop this switch out from the back. And now I'm going to cut a little bit off the end of the ribbon wire, so I have a new section of wire to solder to the circuit board on the switch. Just lightly score it with a razor blade, and then I cut in between each wire so I can pull each section off individually. Now we need to remove the broken section of wire from the switch. I could not find my desoldering wick, so I just had to heat up the solder and pull the wire out. When you're all done, you should have a circuit board with little to no solder and open holes. And the ribbon cable was too short to come back into the switch from the bottom, so I rerouted it through the top of the switch. An alternative would have been to replace the entire ribbon cable with a new ribbon cable or individual wires. Once I confirmed that the wire was long enough with the switch back in its original location, I went ahead and soldered the ribbon cable back to the switch. Once you resolder that, go ahead and put the nuts back on the switch, make sure they're all tight, and then replace the knobs. Now we need to flip the unit over and replace the back half. And we have to hook up the ribbon cable between the circuit board on the back half of the case and the HVAC control board. Just make sure to slide it straight down and then replace the back half and reinstall the screws. Once this is all back together, you can reinstall it back in the vehicle and try it out. If this fix doesn't work, I would double check your solder joints. If everything looks fine, then the control head is probably faulty and may need to be replaced. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.